Careful.
We did not win this dream build giveaway. But if you check out the latest throttle video, they actually showed the finalists of the top 15 that they chose, and we were number 5 on their list. Unfortunately, we didn't make it down to I think the last 5 or 6 on the list, but it was pretty cool to see my name pop up a few times, as well as my video and Instagram posts. So shout out to the winner Josh with the RS. I'm excited to see what throttle has in store for your build, but that means I have my own build to do. But you know what? That's completely okay, because I did actually want to build this myself, but it would have been nice to, you know, get this done for free. But unfortunately, that means this little baby has to go. As much as I enjoy this bike and love this bike and everything, it's just another toy that is not really needed, and I honestly don't ride it that much. And that build is gonna be extremely expensive. Just a rooftop tent alone costs around $3,000. That being said, if anyone's interested in this, it's a 2012 Harley Davidson 48 with an upgraded tank, and it will come with all the stock parts. So if you are interested and you're in the DFW area, then I'll have some information down in the description below on how you can contact me, and we can work out a deal, especially if you're a subscriber. And like I said, I'll have all the stock parts, like the tank over there, the original exhaust, seats, and fenders, and all that jazz. So yeah, if anyone's interested in my baby, my first Harley, let me know. Now back to the FJ. So the first thing we're gonna do in this build is actually all the prep work. We're gonna remove these rear seats because they are not needed. So if you're interested in these rear seats, let me know, because they're gonna go up for sale. But this doesn't look that hard to do. It looks like it's just 4 bolts, and that's basically all that's holding it in. So let's get this thing out.
So it begins.
Oh yes. Yeah, so first thing we're doing is removing this thing, and it looks like it's just 4 bolts, but the last bolt...
Maybe you're twisting it the wrong way.
Like all these came out like, it just broke free like without any effort, but this one.
There's something on the bottom.
Oh, there we go. Alright, here comes the fun part. Removing the seat. So for these seats, I'm gonna make sure it's professionally clean and get all these stains and everything and making this look like brand new. So if you are interested in these, let me know and we can work something out. That's sad. I was hoping that there was like some original holes for the bolts, but it was actually drilled into the original mat. But that's fine because it's gonna be covered up anyways. So in my first video when I did a walk around, I'm not sure if I showed this, but this has the upgraded, which I believe is upgraded. I don't think all FJs have it, but for 400 watt in the rear and the accessory cigarette lighter things. But the only downfall is that this is running off the primary battery, so I may rewire that so it's a secondary battery, and probably not gonna keep this sub in the back. As much as I like music, I think I would rather use as much space as possible and figure out the sound system elsewhere. But we got some storage in here. Oh, what is this? I guess we got extra oil from the previous owner. Looks like tire levers, levers, bags. Got the bottle jack right there, and that looks like about it. This kind of makes me want to check the oil, but we'll do an oil change later. All right, let's try this bang I found in the refrigerator. Some hard seltzer. Ah, that's gross. That actually does taste like pina colada. If anyone ever wants to try this crap, it literally tastes like, how do I explain it? Sugar times 10, even though this says 0 sugar in it. I don't get how they do this magic crap. I'm sure 10 years from now, we're all gonna have some type of deformity from this stuff. Oh, why did I keep drinking it? So we removed the seats, and obviously I just put it back in here and flipped it around just to talk to you guys, but I think this is what the guy should have actually done originally.
Like, flipped it around.
Actually, I don't even understand how I can even sit back here. Yeah, these back seats aren't functional at all. I think it only functions if you have little kids.
They're kids.
Well, which is probably what it was meant for, and why he got it, because he had kids. The guy is in the previous owner. But, alright, well, I thought this was going to be more comfortable to talk to you guys. Right. What we're going to do is, after we take this out, is to remove these hard plastics out, because it's basically the outline of the rear. So I'm gonna use this as a template, and we're gonna build a bed/drawer platform. Alright guys, so that wraps up today's video. In the next video, we're actually gonna work on the drawer and platform system. It's gonna be about this wide and this tall and this long. So I'm really excited to start on that project, as well as restoring all the black trim pieces and the roof rack, as well as addressing the rust issue. We appreciate you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Later guys. Well, that didn't work out.
Oh, that's fine.